This my video Victorinox Classic, my EDC for the past 25-30 years. It's coming apart now. As you can see, it is chipped here, and this part is also, and the rivets have given up. So I'm trying to stick it up with Araldite. So equal amounts of Araldite, 1 drop of this Araldite. I guess this is the small packet which you get here. Equal amounts of the fixer and the hardener. I mix it here. And applied a few drops of the mixture, final mixture here, inside these 4 holes, and on top of this you can see some white. This has got a pen, classic Victorinox Classic. This is the refill. I have removed the refill. So if the Araldite spreads up inside, the refill will get stuck inside. So I have removed the refill. So the refill has to come out this side to the left. So we'll stick it like this. There we go. Now let it rest for around 12 hours. I can just tie a rubber band around it, and you can carry it away if you need it. Always use a toothpick for small amounts, and so it is easier. You can throw the toothpick away, and even if there's some wastage, you're not concerned about it going waste. Thank you. Bye bye.